when you have a working trading strategy, what I will advise you to do is to hold on to it and use it to milk the market. Okay, right here is a trading strategy which has been working for me for over a year, and yesterday we dished out some trading signals both within the Telegram channel and the on the YouTube channel, and of course this is one of the results we got yesterday. Okay, so right here we add our entry point, and here is our stop loss. See our highlighted TPs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the 5 TPs achieved, and that is how beautiful it is. Okay, it even went as far as getting to this region. Okay guys, I'm going to be explaining to you what this strategy is all about so that you too can learn it and start using it from your end. So if you have been looking for a working strategy, then I will advise you to watch this video to the end so that you will have an opportunity to know about it, learn it, and practice very well till you are able to perfect it so that you can start milking the market with it. But before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, and of course guys, if you have any question at all, you can drop your question for me within the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp, most especially if you want to make inquiry about my trading tool. Okay, now let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said, this strategy has actually been working for me and my community, and we've been using it for over a year. Okay, and of course, because it has been working for me, in order for it to be very easy for us to analyze the markets with it, then I came up with a trading tool, a custom-made indicator that can make it very easy for us to understand the market. So this is the custom-made indicator, and of course it works using the same strategy I am talking about. And what is the strategy? The strategy is trend trading strategy. Right here I'm on GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame, and this is one of the signals we dished out yesterday. And of course this happened to be our entry point, and right here happened to be where we put our stop loss. And remember, this is on 15-minute time frame, so all these highlighted TPs are big TPs. Okay, so this is the first TP, which happened to be TP1. It was achieved. TP2 was achieved. TP3 was achieved. TP4 also was achieved. Then we had our TP5 achieved also. Okay, how are we able to achieve all these TP? Because we follow the trend. We follow a simple strategy, which is the trend. Okay, so we noticed that this was an uptrend before, and it got to this resistance zone, was unable to break out from there, so it switched into a downtrend at this point, even though it had a major pullback. So when it had the pullback, okay, actually at the beginning I told you guys that we missed the opportunity, but there will be a pullback, so we should wait for the pullback. So when we had the pullback, I had to set up our trading plan. Of course, if not for the fact that we missed this this first set of trade, we would have adjusted our entry point to somewhere here and our stop loss a little bit above the resistance. But because we missed the first movement, and that's why we had to wait for it to have this pullback before we jump into the trade. Okay, so we now jumped into the trade at this point, and we had some highlighted TPs for us, and of course this gave us a lot of profit because we followed the trend, and the trend says that the market is going on downtrend. Okay, and of course when we had the downtrend signals, we had to wait for the sell signal which supports this trend signal, and of course we jump into the trade. And also we used a good risk management setup, okay, which helps us to make more profit and secure our capital. So that is the beauty of it. Here is another trading setup we add also. So you can see trend trading strategy has actually helped us within this community. This also got to the resistance zone. It was unable to break out from there. Right here we add an early entry. Okay, so immediately it switched into a downtrend from this yellow color to this red color, and we got a sell signal here already. We add our entry points set up, and of course the stop loss also set up. Then TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4, and TP5 achieved successfully. So that is the beautiful part of it. So the simple strategy here is you following the trend. Okay, once you see when the trend is switching, you jump into it, set up your trade, and of course use a good risk management system, and you just allow it to flow. Okay, this helps you to reduce the tension. It helps you to reduce the way you allow your emotion to control your trading activities. Okay, so you just allow it to flow. If it is not going to go our way or as predicted, then it will hit our stop loss and we just lose a little out of our capital, very little self. Okay, so and all we just need to do is just to allow it and come over again to reanalyze the market. Okay, so that happens once in a while. Okay, so but the beautiful part of it is you having to analyze 10 different assets, place your order, and of course you have the assurance that you are most likely to win 8 out of 10, if not all. Okay, so that's so amazing, guys. So that's the beautiful part of it. And consistency also matter. Not that you will win big today and tomorrow you will lose the whole of it again. No, this time around it's more about winning and winning and winning. Okay, even if you are going to lose anything at all, it's going to hit your stop loss, and it's going to be just small amount of your capital, which can be probably $5 depending on your lot size. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, now let's see more. Just for you to know that this is really working well. This is also paynex 1200. I remember when we milked this downtrend that happened, we milked it to the very end of this support region. Okay, I think that should be 2 or 3 days ago, and yesterday again we had an opportunity to see it at this support region, and we had to wait for it to switch into an uptrend. So it got switched at this point, and we jumped into the trade, and check it out, it has given us a lot of profit. This is 33,140 points already. So TP1 achieved, TP2 achieved, TP3 achieved, TP4 achieved, and let me see, as they achieved it, good, it has just achieved TP5. So we are looking at TP6. Okay, so that is the beauty of trend trading strategy. It gives us an opportunity to trade on a particular trend for a very long time. Sometimes it can take hours, sometimes it can take days, sometimes it can even take weeks before all the TPs will be achieved. Okay, but the most important thing is you will be on a particular trend and you will be in profits throughout this period. So far it is going as predicted. Okay, so that is it. So let's see, this also, this had been on downtrend for long, but right now I'm having a feeling that it might want to go on uptrend right now. Of course, we still need it to break out from here, from the from this region. Okay, probably I should just pick it up from here, because I just want it to break out fully from there, so that we can have an assurance that it's going to buy, because it had been on a very strong downtrend for a very long time. Okay, so that is it. So this is the setup for this. This is just starting. Okay, our entry point, stop loss, TP1, 2, 3, and the likes. Okay, this might take some time, but it will definitely go in our direction if it goes fully into an uptrend. Okay, so now here is FX volume 80. FX volume 80 had actually been on downtrend for a very long time. We've been waiting for this particular asset to switch into an uptrend, but it's been more of downtrend. We've really milked the downtrend for a very long time, but we hope that it will switch into an uptrend any moment from now. Okay, so this is still very much on downtrend. So guys, that is the power of trend trading strategy. You can imagine if you had been trading FX volume 80, it started the downtrend right from here. This will have taken you for like 2 weeks already. Okay, for like 2 weeks already. So that is why I said a trend trading strategy helps you to trade on a particular trend for a very long time. Okay, it can go for hours, it can go for days, it can go for weeks. It all depends on the market. Okay, so that is the beauty of it. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question, you can drop your questions for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Thank you.